All right, what is going on? Welcome to the channel. All right, special video for you all here today. So we are in the back seat of the Tesla, and we are looking to just get over to the back of this building here. So this is my lunch break. I like to sometimes spend it in the car just hanging out. So we're gonna attempt to see if the car can take me to the back of the building, because a lot of people, customers and whatnot, park over here. So here we go. This is officially Tesla actually Smart Summon. This is not dumb summon, this is Smart Summon. So this is a little preview also of what Robotaxi would look like. Notice there's nobody in there's no one in the driver's seat here, actually in the back seat. So, and what we're looking to do actually is just get around this vehicle that's parked ahead here, you know. So we've got a little bit of a what do you want to call this, an obstacle course here. So FSD, you know, reached its location here, but now we are looking to turn the corner. So we're gonna see if FSD can just kind of get me to my parking spot. So I had to readjust it, granted that there's some cars in the way here. And here we go. All right, Robo Driver, please take me around the building. And Autopilot aborted. Something is going on. It's not able to work here. Something is going on. All right, let's just see if we can make it past this car. And I know it can, because I've done this before. It's being very hesitant at the moment, which is not bad. You know, like, you know, I am in the back seat. It's not much I can do, you know, other than get out the car and then get into the front seat here. So all in all, pretty cool stuff. This is like a little Robotaxi preview for everyone here. You know, this is exactly what it would feel like being in the back seat with the car driving itself. Alright, so it was able to take me to this location here, but I'm trying to actually get around this corner and just go ahead and park the vehicle up in the shade here. So let's see if we can go ahead and finish the drive. I want to thank everyone for watching this. This is always a super fun video to shoot. As you can see, it's all being controlled with my phone in the back seat. Really nice job taking that turn in the corner there. And yeah, Robotaxi, you know, there's gonna be a lot of watch parties and stuff, and I'm really excited, honestly. It should be really fun. And okay, so I need the car to actually take me into the shade here. So that would be nice and dandy. So let's see if we can go actually into the shade. And it did kind of sort of take me into the shade. We'll take it, we'll take it. Which would be really cool at this point is if somehow, some way I could park the vehicle. It says summon complete, which is really cool. But it would be awesome if somehow I could park the vehicle. Alright, so it brought me to my destination. All is well. No complaints here whatsoever. I want to thank everyone for watching this video. This was a really fun one to shoot. And I think I'm going to hop over into the front seat now. I don't spend too much time in the back seat of my car, but it is a pretty nifty back seat there in the Model 3. Really a lot better in the Model Y, of course, but pretty decent in the Model 3, I will say. So this is what I was really hoping to do. If Summon and Auto Park just laid itself over each other and did this, you know, this would be super fascinating and awesome to watch, which it already is. But if we could just include Auto Park in with FSD, then we're really talking. So yeah, this was a lot of fun, you know. Great way to spend the lunch break doing some FSD testing. I'm only at 14% battery here. That's terrible. I need to go charge, so I know exactly what I'm doing after work today. is charging. And yeah, it took its time parking right there, but it did it. Not bad. Really excited for 10:10 tomorrow. I'm shooting this video before 10:10, hoping to upload it before 10:10, but at the same time, let me know your thoughts and predictions below, or if you've already watched the event, what you thought about it. And are you excited for the Robotaxi, or do you think it's just a big hoax, smoke and mirrors, or where are we at on this exactly? Yeah, so thanks again for watching, and have a great rest of your day.